So if you're new to the group, I've pinned part of the trading. I've pinned part of the trading activity. I made some of you co-hosts. You guys, let me see. Yeah, Lashanda, Madam Azinaba. I made some of you co-hosts. Okay. Let me add Madam Remy. All right. So you guys have other people getting, okay, so that I can focus. Now, I pinned a video. I pinned the videos that we are. So when you guys look at the Telegram, when you see the pin post, so here, if you just join, these are the videos you want to pay attention to. So, okay, you make sure you watch these videos are very important. It makes you know what it is we're doing without having the space of missing out on the ideology, the thought, the pattern, the goals. Okay, then the trading steps. Okay, so this is our trading approach. This is very good for every beginner in trading, every intermediate trader, whether you're an advanced, intermediate, or beginner. This session is really very good for it. It tells you the different approaches in trading. Okay, then this is our binary. Everything we do in binary, this is actually our strategy. I put it down, or our FFX strategy. Then we also have your success gen. These two videos are pretty very important. So you make sure you guys you're following through, so you don't miss out in case some of you are joining, you're new. So I'm just going to be getting into the market right now, and let's see some money. Where is my Chrome? I made a GBPR news. Okay, right about now, I think we're in a safe zone. JPY is strong. AUD JPY is kind of selling. GBP, GBCHF should be selling. Okay. JPY took. JPY is strong today. So GBP JPY ought to be selling, but let's look at AUD JPY first. Euro JPY ought to be selling as well. Okay, Euro JPY ought to be selling as well. 15 minutes is bearish. Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, all of them ought to be selling, but USD JPY. Okay, let me first look at AUD JPY. This is bullish on the 1 hour. Okay, let me look at AUD JPY. The USD JPY. The USD JPY has been bullish. Let's see which one of them. So JPY is really very strong today. The sentiment is crazy. So AUD JPY, I don't think this is really it's okay. It's bearish on the 1 hour. I think it's bullish on the day. Wow. Market should be selling even in Forex. This market should be selling in Forex. Though it's bullish on the daily, this should be selling in Forex. Okay. It's bullish on the daily, but it's bearish on the 1 hour, just slightly bearish on the 1 hour. So why is my network slow? Okay, sorry guys. Let me change. My internet connection is slow. Kill a day. Okay, so I want to see. Let me set it up. Let me just set up this currency right now, and let's see what we're gonna have in the next couple of minutes. You guys make sure that as you're joining the call, you go on the Telegram group and put "we're ready." I use that for something very, very important. Okay, if you join the call, make sure you go type on the call on the Telegram channel, the 1000 Bank Spread Academy, that you are live and ready to learn. So I'm going to be selling AUD JPY when it gets to this area. If you tempt me, come to this area, I'm going to sell you. So AUD JPY 145 to 166 sell. All right, for 5 minutes. I'm going to love the selling of that market if it gets to this area. So I'll put the alarm here. AUD JPY 146/145. I'm going to sell when it gets there. I don't, what time? So at the close of this kind of market gets here, I'm going to sell AUD JPY. So I'm sure it's going to be ready. Yeah, it's going to be ready. So let's see. So you may want to push up to this area so you can actually hold your fingers as well. So let me type it out on chat. Yeah. It may even start dropping from here right now, but the strategy is not ready. Except you are not the type of trader that follow wait. You're patient enough. Okay. One AUDJPY sell for 5 minutes at 145/173. I said 5 minutes already, right? Okay. Yeah, and it's gonna drop. This was the next area it's supposed to drop, and it's dropping. And it's gonna, the strength on JPY is quite strong. Why you guys not getting my screen? Okay. So let's see if it's gonna push up or it drops from here. In case you like this area, let me just take something. Okay, you want to take this area, take it to the light risk, but it's not ready actually. Okay, I'm gonna wait for here. But if you want to be playful, you can actually take this area. Let's see. Okay, what else can we look at while we wait for the next timing? What else? 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 What is here? USD JPY. USD JPY is let's see. USD JPY. You on the sell zone? Let's look at you. Okay, USD JPY is bearish on the 5 minutes. Okay, since I'm looking at JPY already on AUD, why don't I stay on another currency? So what else can we trade? What happened? Did this guy just drop off the moon? Uh, Okay, AUD is weak. What else? What else? What else? What else? GBP is dropping. Mm. Hmm. CAD is also CAD is also weak. CAD. EuroCAD ought to be buying. EuroCAD 5 minutes. Let's see. Load on time. Let's load. Let's load. 5 minutes is bullish. I guess this guy is bullish also. It's bullish. Okay, if it's bullish on 15 minutes, I guess it's kind of a bullish on. I told you guys this guy was gonna sell from here, right? It's good to be playful sometimes. GBP USD. Okay, let me do this quickly. I'll jump into GBP US. I'll see what GBP US looks like. So we have 1 hour blue. Okay, so this guy is coming close to what I would call the sell area. Okay, boy, misty drop somewhere around here is good. But let me see what we can do around this area. EuroCAD. Wow, let me see. I think EuroCAD is going to be EuroCAD is already in a good spot. If it drops to, I'm going to be taking EuroCAD at 542 to 559. The market drops here, but it's already in a good, but no technical area. So it has to come to this area for us to trade it. Okay. That's my playful bell on AUDJPY. So let's watch out for EuroCAD at 559. EuroCAD buy at 542 slash 559. GBP USD. Okay, let me go look at GBP USD. 1 hour is bearish. Okay, maybe 15 minutes should be bullish, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, 15 minutes is bullish. Good trades will start happening in this market around this area. Okay, this is on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see this. Let's see this. Yeah, everything is a repetition in this area. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it drops to. Let's see if it drops to around the 715 area. If anything is gonna be good, we are already almost on timing. So I'm not sure 715 area is gonna be good, but this area could buy from here. All right, so this area is gonna buy. It's just repetition. So we are moving into okay. All right. You guys watch out for Eurocard. Eurocard. $5.59, $5.42 area. $5.59. Come on, don't run away. You may just compare us a visit. Let's just have a little fun this morning. Come on, let's go. Okay, so we got 3 trades on our hands. We got AUD JPY to come to 146 area. We got Eurocard to come to 559, 542 area. And we got GBP USD to drop to around the 715 area. So all of these areas, but anywhere you pick it around the close of the candle, 715. GBP USD 715 area is good. GBP USD buy for 5 minutes at 715. Okay, so I already dropped an alarm. If you get bound, just know 715 is there. Okay, so this is like It's not ready to move yet, which means it may come. But hanging around here is not really enticing for me because yeah, it may want to move from the 567 area, but I love the 559 somehow. Okay. And it's below 3 pips, 3 minutes already. I don't like taking my trades when they are below 3 minutes, but I'll just take it. Let's see how the close of the candle goes. Or you could just take it for the 7 minutes, or you could risk it for the 2 minutes. Why are you going away? I'm still talking on you're going away. Calm down. All right, so it's coming. Good morning, sir. Please, can you explain how the indicator works? No, I'm not explaining those ones. I've already done the video of the explanation there. Okay. Everything I'm doing right now, there's already a video that talks about it. So you can actually catch up after the session. Then you can ask questions on our training session. This is a training session. The only indicator that is active here that we're using on the strategy is the stochastic. And I explain how to use it. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Okay. GBP USD also falling. It's also falling down. Are you sure this 715 is going to be ready? It should be ready. Yeah. Why are you shy? Why are you being stubborn? Why are you being stubborn? Yeah, I said like if it comes to, you see what I said? I said if it comes to this 567 area, you may want to buy because why? It's the bottom of the scandal. Please share the link after the session. It's already in the Telegram group. I just said it on the session right now. Okay, the video that I pinned, all of the videos. Okay, I pinned the video. When you go in, if you go to the pin, you're gonna find it. Oh man, why are you going? Why are you going away? Okay. We're dropping GBP USD is dropping low. We got 45 seconds for this to close, and it's almost ready. Come on, don't go away from here. Don't you better not try to go away from here. That's a 1 hour area anyway. Don't go away from here. You don't do that. That's rude. Eurocard is going away. It's playing on the timing. Okay, I see an area on the 1 minute that is bullish. Yeah, this market may go from here, not because it has aligned with the strategy, but because this is a technical area. Okay, so if you feel like taking that area, you're taking it at your own risk, but sometimes you risk the pay. Okay, but let's see if it's going to drop down. It's almost there. Eurocard flew away, man. Let me just take a light one on GBP USD. Let's see. GBP USD. Light, when I say light. Okay. That's my impatient me. Sometimes I trade like that. Did I put an alarm there on this market? Let me try. GBP USD 715. I checked the message on Telegram. See, check the message, the pin message on Telegram. Okay. Someone else is telling me. Okay. What are you up to? Eurocard has left this. Entered lightly on GU. Okay. All right. So GU is about to pull down to our area. Let's see. 2 minutes to go. Are you trying to play with our emotions, man? Trying to do something? Do. So this guy's not ready to move. The next timing is actually I really don't like odd numbers. Okay. But the next timing is going to be in the next. Most of these trades they get to move well on timing. Okay. Um, this market is not moving at the time right now. May want to splash into the next timing. So I'm going to be waiting for the lower areas for the timing. Let's see. The time this guy is making the decision to calm down. If you take the trade, there may not be an opportunity. But the danger of taking it now is you may not have the opportunity for a roll because of the time you're taking it. Does that make sense? It's not a bad trade. So let's just see. What's happening? Wait. If you picked it, you can actually type on the chat. Joe Biden. Yeah, it's a hit and run on the daily. All right, if you picked it, put it on the chat. Put your area on the chat. Okay, it's a hit and run on the daily. Put your area you got in on the chat, every one of you. So clear lightly on 7:30. Okay, you didn't pick the row. That's good. Yeah, it cleared the first area without the row. 7:30 and 7:15. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. I think this guy is not ready to move. So we know timing. USD always very strong on timing. As in the USD pairs, as in GBP, Euro, USD, GBP and Euro, and USD pair. So hold your trades. Okay, another thing I'm not looking at. Oh, GBP is dropping. Better not betray us, guy. Okay, GBP is just hold it. Just hold it. Okay. GBP, hold it. You can do this. All right, moving into the last minute. Now, for those of you that are not in, if it comes back into that area on timing, you can actually get in on your trade. Okay, wow, that's what this guy's trying to do. This guy's pushing down. So if you would it's not I still got one more minute to go. You can wait for the close of the candle. This guy's not ready to move. This guy's not ready to move. So timing it is. If you're not in, you can actually wait for the 696, and we have a lesson on the other one. Mm. And let's just hope timing goes for us. This market should still be good for 15 minutes. So it's either this guy is not ready to move or it moves. If it doesn't move, we'll take a lesson on that one. GBP USD is still not bad. Uh, I just see how it is. Mm, mm, mm. GBP is actually dropping. But let's just hope this timing goes for us. What's happening to my network? You guys got in on the timing. All right, put your area on the chat. Put your area on the chat if you got it on timing. Okay. That's one of the reasons before timing, I don't like it's always dangerous. That's why odds are always, but the good thing is that I just on the leverage. But if you had an opportunity for a roll, but the last trade I actually took, I knew that there was no room for a roll for me. Okay. And now it's actually doing what it needs to do on timing, and it's a walk away experience. So how many of you got in? So the rest of the boys, AUD USD didn't quite come to an area. This guy is probably gonna still go. The next timing is actually the o'clock. You guys want to get in on Eurocard? You cleared 710. Yeah, if you did a roll, if you had an opportunity for a roll, that this is a powerful clear. If you had an opportunity for a roll, you should have cleared. Okay, even on this area, if you rolled, you declare you'd be in profit right now. Didn't get in. So we're gonna have it clear in a few seconds. 5 and 15 minutes is gonna clear, hopefully. So that was a snapshot. We're cleared on the chat if you cleared. So that is going to be the next entry. Okay. I wouldn't want to dare this market. I always move from zone to zone. The next, in case it wants to come down, okay, the next entry is going to be on the lower areas, all right, which is going to be 669 to 680. But if you made money, put I made money on the chat. All right. If you cleared, put cleared, and make sure you go type cleared. It was a beautiful, beautiful area to get in. Okay. Even the playful area, if you had an opportunity for a roll, would have cleared, but I didn't. I didn't have an opportunity for a roll, and that's really a little bit painful. All right. Now it's doing what it needs to do. Quite an amazing trade, quite an opportunity to make money. So put money on. I need you guys to okay. If you made money, put I made money on the chat. Let me know if I made money on the chat. All right. Let me know those of you that made money on the chat. Put I made money on the chat. And if you didn't make money, and probably you guys are new to binary options or FFX, fast frequency forex, this is how we do it. Okay. How many of you think this is a beautiful way to make money? Come together, we'll call the trades together, we'll win together, we'll lose together. And most of the time, we make money together. All right. So you guys go put on the chat right now. I made money. Put on the chat. I just said we just made money on the FFX session. You go put on the chat that we made money. Okay. And I'm just going to drift into what I'm going to be looking at in Forex before we get on this place. So the market is actually doing pretty well. For those of you who probably took it on a 15 minutes, I mean on a 15 minutes anyway. So I believe that's good. Yeah. So let me see. Okay, good. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, so I told you guys these guys were gonna go up. If it breaks, come back into this area. So I'm gonna drop an alarm here right now. GBP USD comes back into this area, retests it and opens another candle up above this area. I'm gonna start buying. Okay. Now it may come back, it may not come back, but that is how I'm gonna start buying. I told you guys I bought Euro USD yesterday. Okay, I told you guys I bought Euro USD yesterday, and I think yeah, that's pretty in profit right now. So there's already a first break of structure. Okay. And I told you guys the risk. If you're taking a trade like this with me, I told you the risk involved, right? So, but I believe this market are going. So this market has a pull on this upper side, has a very strong pull. There's also a strong pull somewhere around here. Okay. So, hence, I think it's going to buy up to sell down eventually. So that's what I'm looking at, ladies and gentlemen. Gold. I told you guys gold was going to buy around here. It's not there yet. Okay, that's my next buy, and my ultimate sell is going to be breaking this area, and I'm going to sell this area. So this area that is a buy is also my sell area, but it has to break below, and I'll sell when it gives me price action. But right about now, market is consolidating. So I've got you guys Euro USD JPY is okay. Let's see what the next move on USD JPY is doing. Let's see. It's pretty selling. Okay, let me look at it on a time frame. Okay. Oh boy, this guy may drop all the way down to this level. So after the break of structure, okay, this is daily. Let's look at 4 hours. Amen. So market is on premium, actually. Okay. Let's see. So this was okay. So let me do something new. I know many of you are new. Let me do something new. So there was a sell side liquidity that created this range. So this is all right. A market had rated it. So if this is the range you are considering, like a couple of things may happen for a continuous sell to the downside, at least to these areas. Okay, there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here. So there's liquidity here. So I do know something that this market may fall down here to be able to break here. That's something that can happen because I know that there is pressure on this area. Okay, so market is on premium buy, but by the time market crosses this area, it's on discount, which means this is on top of the discount. Market may buy from here. Market may buy from here. Market may buy from here. So what am I looking at? Market is still going up. Okay, based off on the higher time frame, market is going. Market is on, let's see, on the monthly, market is on discount. Okay. On the monthly, oh boy. Okay, on the monthly, this is the next buy range. This is a buy range. This is a buy range. Okay. And if you're looking at the market where it is right now, from this buy range to this area, market is on discount. Okay. So if that be the case, we may be having a very powerful sell on this area. it means sales will start happening from this area on. Okay, that happens, that's going to give us a very good fall to this side of the road. Based off on the monthly outlook, okay? I won't talk about it on the session, but there's a pattern that is going to showcase because the market is on premium, and the moment the market comes here, that's going to be our next bearish market structure formation, okay, based off on the monthly. So that's why I still feel the market is still going up. Since it's still on discount, it still has the power to buy. Okay, and because I am I'm looking at a swing level. So market actually bought it, just bought. This is the first break of structure since it bought. Okay, and it's still above the break of structure. Normally, the type of things it does, if I'm looking at it on the weekly, it's going to come back, create the next. So it actually created. If we look at this right now, come on. My network is a little bit slow. Why? So if you look at what this market has formed so far, so there is a bullish break of structure, bullish break of structure, came back into this, created the second low. So this is a low, this is a second low. All right. Now there's a break of structure. There is no third low, which means somewhere around this area, the market may want to come give us a third low. Okay. I don't know if this is it. Okay, but it may be because there's a break of structure, it came back and already moved. It may want to do it again. Okay, come to this level. This area is going to be a very good supplement for buy. Okay, that is if you want to continue on the daily buy. But if not, okay, if you're looking at just this intraday range, okay, market at mitigated, rated. If you create bearish market structure right now, you can sell it down. But I want to target the higher perspective rather than the in between. But I can tell you this: the next trade for a buy is going to be around this area, okay, of this area. Watch out for that if you're looking out for the buy sensation for the continuous daily swing, okay. But if not, we're going to be getting market formation over the next couple of hours. Let me see on the 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour. Yes, we've had a high, we've had a low, we've had a high. There's a break of structure. The market needs to come back, okay, form a third one before we start looking for trades. So market comes back, form a third one, okay, then we're going to start looking for trades. All right, this is what I'm going to be trading to, this area or this area. Either way, it's going to be way more than 200 pips. So this is the formation I'm going to be looking at for before I sell this area. It means if it gives me a new high, I'm going to wait for the second break of structure for me to trade this 200 piece move or probably 400 piece move. Okay, and that is my GBP USD closing on the 15. Good. Appreciate you, GBP USD, for paying me. So let's go back to. So that's what I'm looking at. Patience. Over the course of the day, as the market play out, we will let you know. But right about now, there is no position for a sell. Neither do we have a position for a buy on any of my currencies. Okay, it's just the buy I talked about last night. That is the only thing that I am in right now as a trade. Okay, GBP USD. Yes, I gave a trade on GBP USD. As I gave an analysis that if it breaks, retest. So now that this market broke, any retest on this or this is going to be a buy. Okay, but the best is momentum exhaustion before what continuation. Always don't trade market on momentum for a buy. Trade it on exhaustion. All right. So are you a day trader or a swing trader? If you were in yesterday's session, I answered that question. Okay. So if you didn't watch yesterday's session, please do. It's actually one of the best sessions we've had so far. Sorry, what's the analysis on gold? Gold, Euro USD. So gold at the moment, okay. I don't have a trade on gold at the moment. Where is, okay, good. This is where I want to buy gold. So I called it on Monday, okay, that if this market comes here, you could buy, put your cost below here, all right, and take it up. So my overall my overall sentiment on gold is on premium, so I should be looking out for a sell. But in between the day, gold is a prostitute. All right, it pays anyone that has money. So just look out for the liquidity area and go for it. So if it comes here, you buy here, make your money, get out. But overall, the market is sentimentally what? On premium. So the market should sell. So where do I want to sell gold? Okay, I don't want to sell gold above the sell side liquidity. So when you look at this right now, I know I've got a lot of things. I don't want to sell gold above this area. I want to sell gold when it breaks below this black line. All right, that is where I want to sell gold. So if it breaks below this area right now, that is below this floor it has created. If it breaks below this area, I could retest it and hold a very strong 1 hour or 4 hour. The market is going to drop down to this area, drop down to this area, overall probably drop down to, because there's so much liquidity. All right, there's so much liquidity on this market on the downside. And if this market makers tend to want to push the market, they'll put volume towards where liquidity is. Okay, on the upside right now, it's oblivion. Nothing. Nobody knows except things beyond our analysis that is driving market up. But when technical trading and investment has to come in, market moves in the direction of where money is, which is liquidity. There's so much liquidity here. There's so much liquidity here. There's so much liquidity. There's liquidity, so much liquidity. So if these people decide to want to make money, milk money out of this market, what would they do? They'll drive market downwards to these areas. So that's how you position yourself or yourself. So how do you position yourself to follow this liquidity? Market structure states that whenever a market hits a strong high, all right, watch out for the high before those highs. So there's a high here. Okay, now this market has created a low. There's a low here. If this high doesn't take away this high, what has market formed? It's a bearish structure. So all I need to do is market break, take away this. In fact, it's not even this area, but I'll start entering from this area. If it takes away this, market is going to eventually drop to this. It's going to eventually what? Drop to this. So these are TP levels, what I'm waiting out for. Does that make sense? Put sense in the chat if you got that. So I'm not too in a hurry on gold right now for any kind of trade. Beautiful. But I believe we're going to be making money in the course of this week. So you guys follow GU. Okay. These are intraday trades, means in the course of the day, they play out, they may give you the money you're looking for. Okay. But what I do is I analyze for you guys to see potential before payment. See potential before payment. Don't go into payment without knowing potential. So I love to see potential, the potential of the swing market. Then I see what the risk of the intraday looks like before I even cast my net. Okay. With that being said, we have a lot to learn, but we'll have to show up. Okay. But it's been an amazing session. If you guys think it's an amazing session, go put on the chat. All right. What are your thoughts on the session? And I actually said yesterday that after the session, we'll maybe having a short setup. Okay. But I can't have it now. It's going to take another 30 minutes, but have a schedule. I have something I have to do. So what I'm going to do is we may probably have it in an evening session, okay, so that everybody's relaxed and we can do it. What do you guys think about that for 5 on the chat? Okay, so we may not have so we did market psychology, trading view setup yesterday. We did risk management, ideology. Now we're going to go into practical broker setup. Okay, that just probably a 15-30 minute session. And if you guys have questions, you can load it on me. Does that make sense? So, but don't forget to let us know, okay, what you guys benefited from. So if you made money, make sure you go there, made money. If you didn't make money, wow, what an amazing session to learn how to make money. Just go type on the chat. All right. I always like feedback.